Hey guys, first look at this storm. Not bad so far. Let's take a look at the beach. Okay, a lot of leaves here. Some brush came down here. Not bad. That's the little thing I'm waiting for. Are they out there? Yeah, Johnny's there. Hugh's there. Wow. Oh, this is good news, though. Big waves coming in. I'm glad I'm not here. Yay. Looks like they're gonna make it. Okay, we've got some flooding here, not too bad. Not too bad. Seen this much worse, much worse. Oh, he's rolling. Oh, that's gotta be uncomfortable. Wow. I am so glad I'm not here. Oh, there is a boat missing. Mary Liz's boat. I don't know where that is. Oh, huge waves. Oh boy. Wow. So there's one boat missing. I don't see it on the beach. Casey's boat's still there. Wow, this is crazy. Let's go check on my boat. Okay, right where I left it. Everybody's really good in here. This is a great little hurricane port. My stern anchor's hung on good. Well, now we know where Mary Liz's boat is.